name is Dinda Lestari Mamanka, and my friend.
My name is Lelati Sistiana.
Let's watching our video. Hello, good morning, Mr. Patrick.
Good morning, nurse.
Patrick, you're back already from physiotherapy. How are the exercise going?
It's going slowly, nurse, but I'm trying my best.
It's good to hear. So, what's your long-term goals?
For now, I just want to be able to climb the stairs by myself. It's a simple goal, but very important for me. My wife usually helps me, but I want to be independent.
I understand. It is so important.
Well, I sleep in the living room, but the bedroom is upstairs. It's not being able to go up on my own.
That makes sense. It must be frustrating.
Yes, it is, but I'm motivated to improve.
The great attitude, Patrick. Keep it up, and you'll get there.
Thank you for your support, nurse. It really meant a lot.
You're welcome, Patrick.